What is Amazon dropshipping and how you can start it? As you guys already know that on Amazon website there are multiple business models out there like Amazon private label, retail arbitrage, wholesale and dropshipping. So I have already discussed and teach you all of other methods in my previous video on this playlist. But for this video, I'm going to be discussing with you like what is Amazon dropshipping, how people are actually making money from this model, and how you can just start Amazon dropshipping right after watching this video. So this video is going to be super important for you because I'm going to be showing you some real life example. So keep on watching this video till the end without skipping any part. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com right now, and here I have just opened some products which can be dropshipped. So before getting started, I'm just going to explain you like what dropshipping is. So basically the term dropshipping means you are selling a product on any e-commerce website, but you are not actually having that product with you, like not on your warehouse or not on your hands. For example, you can just find a product like toothbrush on any of the website like Walmart, eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba or any other, and you just find that toothbrush on that website, but you don't have that brush in your hand. And still you list that product on your Shopify store or on your Amazon store. And then when you get the order for that toothbrush on your Amazon store or Shopify store, then you order that product from that website from where you have found it like Walmart, eBay or Alibaba, and then purchase that product and send it to your buyer. So for example, you sold it for $20 and you purchase it for $10, and after paying $5 shipping, you just get $5 profit. So that profit will be your earning, and this model is called dropshipping. So basically there is only one model for dropshipping, but I think that there are two models, because dropshipping is anything in which you don't have a product but you sell that product, and when you get a sale you ask the supplier or manufacturer to send that product to your buyer. So if we keep this logic in your mind, then Merged by Amazon is also kind of dropshipping for Amazon. So we'll discuss Merged by Amazon later in this video, but for now let's discuss first type of dropshipping. So you can see that for these products here, many of the sellers are selling on the same listing. You can see that they are energy rustics, and more than 11 FBA sellers are selling on this listing. And if you go down, you can see that this is a shampoo, yellow shampoo, and here are 5 FBA sellers. And if you go down, it's a fruit jam, and again more than 11 FBA sellers selling on this same listing. So that means on this one listing there are many FBA sellers are selling, and obviously they are selling because they are getting sales and profit. So for example, if we see this product, this is a Fanola no yellow shampoo, and it's basically selling for $11.99. So let's copy the name of this product and search that name on Walmart and eBay. So here you can see that I have searched the same product on Walmart, and here I have searched the same product on eBay. So now it's not necessary for you to only search on Walmart or eBay. You can just search on any website you know. You can just search on any wholesaler website or even AliExpress. So after searching the same product on multiple websites, just keep scrolling and keep finding a cheap supplier. You can see that this supplier is selling for $34, this one is for $15, and if we go up, this one is for $7. So you need to scroll down and you need to find a supplier which is selling the same product for very cheap. And if you don't find a supplier on Walmart, just switch the website to eBay and then type the same keyword and then scroll down and keep searching for the same product. So if you find here, very good. But if you don't find here, you can just move on to the other website like AliExpress or even CJ Dropship. So once you find that product, you can just do your profit calculation. For example, you're selling the same product here for $12 and you're getting that product for $2 or $3 on CJ Dropship. So you can just add your shipping cost, you can add your storage fee, and then after doing that calculation, you will be able to see your profit. So if you're getting the profit of that product, you can just sell that product, otherwise move on to the next product and scroll down. So this is basically the concept of dropshipping. Like you find multiple listings on Amazon, like you find 10, 20, 30 or maybe 100 listings, and make a list of all of those products and start selling on all of those listings. And when you get the order from any listing, you can just go to other website, order that product directly to your buyer and give the address of your buyer to your supplier. So in that way, you can just buy cheap and sell expensive and get your profit. So that's how the whole model of dropshipping works on Amazon or even on Shopify. So that was the type number 1. But for me, the type number 2 is Merged by Amazon. So as you can see here, Merged by Amazon is also a great model for Amazon in which you don't need to do anything. You can see that become a merch on demand content creator. You just need to create some design, or even you can hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork to create design for you. and just upload that design and rank those designs on Amazon search engine. So when someone search for that design, purchase that t-shirt, so Amazon will print that t-shirt for you and send that t-shirt to your buyer and you'll get the commission. So as you can see here, it says that upload your artwork, set a list price, we print what's sold, fast shipping time, and earn money. So in that model, you don't need to do anything. You just need to create the design and try to rank that design on Amazon.com so the people who are actually looking for that design can reach out to your listing and purchase from that. So whenever someone purchases, Amazon will print that design for you on t-shirt and send them and you'll get the money. So for example, if you go on Amazon and type parrots t-shirt for women, so you can see that there are many of the t-shirts here. So these are actually not the t-shirt, these are the design which people created and uploaded on Amazon. So when someone search for parrot t-shirt for women, they can see their design, they can order that shirt, Amazon will print that shirt, and the person who uploaded that design can get the royalty or the commission. So for example, if you go up and type cat t-shirt for men funny, so if I type that, so I can find these kind of t-shirt. You can see that this is a simple design like crazy cat daddy. And if I go further down, I can find more design as well. You can see that this is selling for $18, $17, $13. So by just doing this, by just keep uploading design, you can just try to rank your design. Like before creating the design, you can just find out from tools like what people are actually searching on Amazon to buy the t-shirt. And then you can just find the market gap, create design on all of those topics and upload it on Amazon. So when someone search for that design or that t-shirt, they can just see your listing, they can place the order and you'll get the money. So this is the Amazon dropshipping type 2 in my opinion. People don't call it dropshipping, but I call it dropshipping because in this model, you don't own anything. You just keep uploading design and get the money. So if you want to learn more about merch by Amazon or how you can actually find some Amazon dropshipping product, how you can actually find supplier, so you can watch my other video in the same playlist where I have explained you each and everything in detail. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.